and welcome. I am Madhuri and this is the fourth video of the LinkedIn series. Before this, we covered tips and tricks of creating a powerful LinkedIn profile, building relevant connections, and the importance of personal branding. These three topics will be referred a lot in today's video, so if you haven't seen them yet, I strongly suggest that you check them out. I have mentioned the links in the description box for your easy access. Today we'll be talking about leveraging LinkedIn for your career aspirations. In other words, how to use LinkedIn to get your dream job. I will be sharing some lesser known ways to find hiring opportunities on LinkedIn. So let's get started. According to the New York Times, US school students are now including their LinkedIn profiles into their college applications because studies have shown that this boosts their prospect of getting an admit. This little fact in itself should be enough proof that LinkedIn is the place to be for your next career move. LinkedIn has more than 500 million professionals worldwide, and capturing the attention of even a fraction of this network will help you land internships, jobs, and valuable connections who might someday hire you or play an important role in getting you that job that you always wanted. Many people have at many times wondered, do people actually get jobs via LinkedIn? It never seems to work for me. Well, personally, I have received multiple opportunities via LinkedIn, and I also know several others who have. So all I can say is, if you try everything I'm going to share in this video, it will definitely help you in landing your dream job via LinkedIn. The first and foremost thing to do when you start looking for a job on LinkedIn is to switch the career interest tab on. For this, all you need to do is go into the settings section of your profile, go to job preferences and click this switch on. However, a lot of people are worried that the HR in their current company or their current managers might get to know that they are looking for opportunities outside. If you are one such individual and you do not want people to know that you are looking for opportunities, simply switch this tab off. Now, you're all set to search for jobs, apply for them, and get hired. So let's first understand how you should look for jobs on LinkedIn, jobs that you actually want, instead of just applying at will. For the purpose of understanding this process, let's consider a computer engineer who's looking for his next job opportunity. This individual can search for jobs on LinkedIn in three ways. The first one is the most popular approach. Click on the jobs tab and type the title of the role that you want to work as, in this case, computer engineer. This will list down all the relevant job openings. You can further filter this data based on location, work schedule, and various other details. Once you search for jobs with particular criteria, you can save the template for further reference, or you can even enable alerts to receive emails about job listings based on your search criteria. You can create multiple such criteria and enable alerts for each of them. Now, this is the most common way of looking for jobs on LinkedIn. The second approach is a little lesser known. Type job title, hiring location into the search tab. In this case, we can type computer engineer hiring India, or you can choose any country of your interest and filter by content. This will result in listings as shown. Now, this approach will show you posts by individuals who may or may not be connected to you, companies you may not be following, and those that don't show up in the jobs section. This is the most important part. Go through these search results and apply to whichever role you feel is relevant for you. The third approach is even lesser known, but it is more company and industry targeted. You can look out for specific vacancies in specific companies or industries by going to their official page and looking for jobs on their page. Let's go back to the consideration that we were having. There's this computer engineer who wants to work for, let's say, Google, because who doesn't want to work for Google, right? So in this case, what we'll do is we'll type Google computer engineering jobs. This will list down all the jobs and vacancies available at Google. Again, you can filter this by all the relevant filters that you want. You can even look specifically for your city or your country. But let's say you're not particular about working for a specific company. You can also do a broader level industry search. For example, if this computer engineer wants to work in a financial services industry, for example, let's say a bank. So all you need to do is type in the search bar financial services computer engineering jobs, and this will list down all the engineering vacancies available in the financial services industry in the multiple companies that fall under this category. Now, these are the three approaches that you can apply to search for jobs on LinkedIn. I'm sure many of you would not have known the second and the third one. But you must also be thinking that what if I don't know the company or the industry that I want to work in? You can try out looking for LinkedIn top companies or LinkedIn top startups list to see which companies are doing well. LinkedIn publishes these lists out every year. Now, these lists can help you understand which companies are actually attracting interest from the job seeking candidates. Once you have made a decision or finalized a set of jobs that you want to apply for, the next step is to apply for those jobs. This can be done using a 3-step process. Again, I will be sharing some lesser known ways, so listen to it very carefully. The first one is to apply via LinkedIn or via the company website. A few job postings have the option of in easy apply, wherein you just need to enter your contact number, upload your resume to apply for the role. With premium subscription, you can also choose to stand out as a featured candidate while applying via this option. Having a premium profile also increases your chances of being listed higher in the search results when someone is searching for candidates which are similar to your skill set. What happens when you go with the easy apply option is that along with your contact details and your resume, your entire LinkedIn profile is shared with the hiring manager. So you need to ensure that your profile is a powerful one. Refer to my video on how you can do that. The link is in the description box. Make sure it's done because your LinkedIn profile will play a major role in getting you that interview call. In other cases wherein the in easy apply option is not available, you will be redirected to the company website and will be required to follow their process, which might include filling out an exhaustive application form. Now, between the two approaches, I would strongly suggest to go for the second one, wherein you fill out that exhaustive job application on the company website, because the in easy apply option is chosen by a lot of people and that increases the count of applications. Whereas not everyone is dedicated enough to go through that exhaustive process of filling out the entire application on the company's website. So you can expect the candidate pool there to be lesser, which will in turn increase your chances of getting that interview call. But whichever approach you take, the second step is very important. It is to know the right people who can connect you to the hiring managers at their company. So having the right connections will prove fruitful here because when you're seeking jobs, LinkedIn will show you the list of people in your connections who either work for or know someone at the company that you're applying for. You can reach out to these people, ask them for referrals, or you can simply also ask them to connect you to the hiring managers at their company. But of course, for this to happen, you'd have to add relevant connections into your network so that they show up when you're applying for the job. Search for people working in roles that you want to be hired for and are working in companies that you want to work at. How you can do this, how you can find the relevant people for yourself is exactly what I share in the second video of the LinkedIn series. So do check it out. I have also mentioned the link in the description box. Once you connect with those people, build a rapport with them. And again, all of those tips you will find in that second video which I'm referring to. So once you figure out which connections you want to reach out to, request them for a referral or ask them to connect you to the hiring manager at their company, because that's the third step of the process, to talk to the hiring manager. Let's say in case you do not have any connections working for the company that you're applying for. In some cases, LinkedIn also shows you the hiring manager listed against the job that you're applying for. All you can simply do is go to their profile and write them a message or an email expressing your interest in a particular vacancy and mention why you would be a good fit for the role. This is very important because it will help create a powerful impact on the recruiters. If you need examples or sample messages that you can send out to the recruiters or the hiring managers, I'll be sharing those very soon on my website. But for now, you can mention your request in the comment section and I'll try to share those sample messages with you. So those are the 3 steps. First, apply for the job via LinkedIn or via the company website. Second is ask your connections for a referral or to connect you to the hiring managers. And the third one is to talk to the hiring managers, write them a message or an email detailing why you would be a good fit for the role. I tried to cover every aspect possible of how you can search and apply for jobs on LinkedIn. If you have any specific queries or need further guidance, please share your queries in the comment section and I'll get back to you on those. And if you are someone who has landed job opportunities via LinkedIn, please share your story in the comment section because we would love to hear it and it will automatically also encourage and motivate the other applicants out there who are looking for jobs and are hopeful to make it work via LinkedIn. Because in the end, we all want that dream job that we always wanted. I hope this was helpful for you, so please give a big fat thumbs up and share this with your friends who are looking for jobs or might do it so in the future. Every Sunday, I published content that will enhance your knowledge by at least 1% and help you become a better version of yourself. If this is something that you're looking for, then please subscribe because it helps support the channel. The aim is to reach 1,000 subscribers at least. Fingers crossed. You can connect with me on LinkedIn and Instagram as well. These are the IDs, but I have also mentioned the direct links in the description box. This is Madhuri Verma wishing you all the very best for your job search. Thank you for watching.